Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to watch live TV on Hulu. So in order to watch live TV on Hulu, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, you have to first of all go ahead and log into your Hulu account. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open up the Hulu application. When you open it up, then you can go ahead and tap the sign up button or just go ahead and select start your free trial. So after you do that, you need to go ahead and select the subscription. So since we are going with live TV, so go to Hulu with live TV and the select button. Then you need to create your account. So you can either continue with your Facebook or email address, whichever is convenient for you, select that. And then moving on, you have to go ahead and enter in your card details or the payment section. So here, go through it and enter in the fee that has been asked, and accordingly you'll be notified that you've successfully got a premium plan for Hulu Live TV, and now you can go ahead and start watching live TV. So that's how you can enable or watch live TV on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.